Hi, my name is Jet, and in this video is all about what I do as a business consultant. So, ano nga ba yung business consultant? Ayon kay ChatGPT, a business consultant is a professional who provides expert advice and guidance to businesses to help them improve their performance, operations, and efficiency. Business consultants are typically hired to analyze the existing problems or challenges within a company and to recommend solutions or strategies for improvement. In short, tinutulungan ng mga business consultant na kagaya ko ang mga business owners na ayusin yung mga business nila to avoid failure and maximize their profit. Ang dami kasing skills na kailangan mong matutunan kapag magra-run ka ng isang business. And most, if not all, especially yung mga small to medium entrepreneurs or SMEs, hindi nila masyadong alam lahat ng kailangan nilang malaman, causing business to fail. Especially kapag ang taas ng daily and monthly expenses mo. Kailangan kapag ganun, mas pulido yung galaw mo kasi mas prone ka to failing. And most, if not all, especially yung mga small to medium entrepreneurs, hindi nila alam or gamay masyado yung mga business skills na kailangan nilang matutunan. So tara, samahan niyo ako dito sa version ko ng A Day in the Life of a Business Consultant. Menu optimization. Yan ang gagawin natin for this video. Menu optimization refers to the process of fine-tuning a menu to enhance its overall appeal, taste, and value proposition while ensuring cost-effectiveness. Menu optimization may include sourcing more affordable ingredients without compromising the quality, re-evaluating portion sizes to minimize the food waste, and incorporating customer preferences and trends into menu offerings. O eto, naglagay kami ng mga quarter pounders and giant burgers. Yung quarter pounders namin may 4 na patty. Kapag mag-iisip ka kasi ng menu, dapat laging merong wow factor para mas madaling mapansin yung Facebook ad na pag-uusapan natin later on sa marketing part. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano pa kagulo tong store kasi tinutulungan ko sila from scratch. Ako yung business consultant na kaya kang tulungan from scratch or existing business. Yung next business na handle ko, na ipapakita sa inyo, yung existing business na yon, nag-i-exist na siya for 20 years, pero kinuha pa rin nila tayo as business consultant. So, from scratch, no problem. Existing business, kailangan nyo ng business consultant for sure. At nag-add din kami ng mga sizzling food na nasa sizzling plate kasi nakita namin na nagtitrend ngayon yung ganitong food. So, napaka-importante na updated ka sa mga trends kasi tried and tested na yon, magkakaalaman na lang kung mas masarap ba yung sayo or mas mura, pero may market na dyan. Tried and tested na kasi. So yun, tinikman din namin yung isa sa nirecommend kong menus sa business owner, which is yung pizza. Kasi business owner din ako. And one of the business na tinayo ko is fast food. So nagtitinda kami ng burgers, pizza, and parang related siya dito sa mga binibenta ni client. Tinuruan ko siya paano mapamura yung pizza niya. So hanggang dito na lang yung ating video. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo na isa sa mga ginagawa ko as a business consultant is menu optimization. So kahit anong business yan, tinitignan ko kung ano pa yung pwedeng improve. At kung meron pang kayang improve natin yan. Kasi napaka-importanting part nito bago tayo mag-proceed sa marketing. Kapag naayos natin ito, mapapababa natin yung cost natin sa marketing at mas tataas yung benta. So hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating video about menu optimization at food tasting. Sa next episode, samahan niyo naman ako mag-inventory, costing, at mag-setup ng POS. So yeah, maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope meron kayong natutunan. Kung gusto niyo yung mga ganitong content, please don't forget to follow. Maraming salamat. See you on the next one.